All right, everybody, we are back. We are the Break Brothers, Jeff and Scott, and we are here to open 2 boxes of, quite honestly, our favorite product. Not going to lie to you. Leaf Trinity 2020 baseball. Now, 2020 is actually a 2021 product. As most of you guys know, if you open Leaf or you've tuned in on us before, they're always like a year behind on a numbering. I don't understand why. It does not matter. It's this year's players, but this is the Trinity product. We love this. 6 autos per box, and they are usually, you can get some pretty nice memorabilia autos. Not gonna lie, that is one reason these are one of our favorites. It is just filled with goodness. So we got 2 boxes for you tonight, and yeah, there isn't much else to say other than let's get at it here. Guys, I can't even begin to tell you how much I enjoy these. Jeff as well. We are really, if we could just sit here open these all year, and we'd be happy. You guys wouldn't be, but we'd be pretty content. And Leaf does make like a football version of this. I don't know if there's a basketball version or any other sport, but okay, that's unusual. I don't normally see them with foam on the top. So they're packaged in a block, but normally I thought the top's not covered, is it?
I have seen that.
Oh, you have seen it? Okay. So there's what you get. How come it looks like 2 cards in there? Whoa. Intriguing.
Very intriguing.
All right, we're going to put that box for second. That is... You're supposed to have 6 autos, unless there's 2 big cards and a bunch of... One sandwiched in between there, maybe. That is intriguing, folks. We're gonna just put that right there for a second. We're both. You're seeing our hands. If you could see our faces, it's like a unicorn just walked across the room. We're just not sure what to make of it. We've opened an awful lot. We've seen an awful lot of these open. This is probably going to be. This will be kind of what we're used to seeing. Okay, this is normal here. This is what we're used to seeing, conversely. So, usually it's the meat of the matter, you get right at it. That has us,
Yeah.
That's what we're normally used to seeing. So I'm glad we're documenting this anyway, in case there's something goofy with it. That is interesting. Brian Gray, what have you got up your sleeve? Maybe something quite unique. Jeff's telegraphing a couple ideas. All right, guys, let's see what we got going here. These are always great. Looks like we got something like maybe a cello on the bottom. All right, let's get one to the side here to put these on. My heart's still a flutter on that one, guys. All right, the first one up is a Noelvi Marte. Noelvi. I want to say that Mariners. Actually, that just helped me cement it. 15/50. Again, a really nice patch card there. Thank you, Autofocus, for working with me. And I think I got the thick sleeves here. How about the thick enough sleeves? I don't want to force this. I don't know if that's the thick sleeves or not. One second, guys. Make sure I've got the correct ones. Sometimes these aren't labeled correctly. So let's give it a shot with this one. Yeah, okay. So they weren't the correct sleeves. Let's try that. Perfecto. Looks like, yep. So there we go. Noelve. Next up, we have got a Jake Vogel. It looks like part of a name. 57 of 75. That is a rookie. Jake Vogel. Not sure who Jake Vogel plays for. Looks like Jeff's pondering it over there. And this is what Leafs rookie designation looks like. I was going to say that, but it seems like they have too many rookies. That is Dodgers. Jake Vogel. Next up, we have a straight up, what we consider a base card for these guys. Yandris Gomez. That is 5 of 5. Sharp looking card. Get that one in a sleeve in a second here, or in a top loader. Let's keep at it here. Next up, this looks like a white sock all day. Yolbert Sanchez. I would imagine that is White Sox. Huh, not too bad. All right. Let's get this one into a sleeve as well. Too bad. Again, very cool looking patches in this product. Next up is another what would be considered base. Ryan Zephyron. 7 of 25, green foil. Not some of the biggest names we've seen come out of this product. Red Sox, all right. And the last one of this box is a cello, and it is Austin Martin. Pretty cool. He's recently changed teams, however. 36 of 40. I believe he's now a Twin. Went over in Barrios deal, Jose Barrios. That is his rookie card for Leaf. Nice. That is a sticker auto, as you can see. Grab a proper top loader for that. Too. Yeah, I'm excited about that too. We're both staring down that weird box too. All right, Austin Martin, welcome to the family. All right, so now we got this enigma over here that we are intrigued about. You're supposed to be getting 6 hits. It looks like there's 2 cards. There must be something else sandwiched in there. It has to be. But we're not going to lie. We have not seen anything that's looked like that with the foam necessarily on top. Jeff has, however. I have not, but the amount of cards in there.
Thin foam.
Yeah. So this is what we got going on. That is
clear,
just different. Okay. Let's see what we have going on here. Completely intrigued. This is not how these normally look. All right, what do we have going on? Why did they do this? Looks like there's a clear on the bottom, similar to last time. So maybe there is 6 cards here, and we're just kind of fooled by the optics of this. But That is different with that on the top. So let's get started here, guys. First up, Garrett Crochet. Ah, right there. That's a good card. He is with the White Sox, pitching it up right now. 13 of 40. That is his rookie clear. So that's actually a pretty nice card right off the bat. That is a wrong size sleeve. Garrett Crochet. Pretty cool. All right. Number 2. Now, maybe they need that because it's super thin. Maybe there's just a lot of non-memorabilia cards here. We have got a CJ Van Eyck. I don't know him. That is a rookie. Pretty nice looking patch. Here we go, CJ. Next up, we have got a Tink Hence. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that says Tink. Tink Hence. That is a 2 of 5, however, for Mr. Hence there. So that's not a bad clear if you're going to do that. If you're going to be named Tink, at least be low number. So it looks like we do have 6 cards here. It's very deceiving. Must be a lot of these clears or very thin cards.
Cardinals.
Cardinals, okay. Did you see anybody or designation for Van Eyck?
Not yet.
CJ. All right, next up. Ooh, okay. Got a button. That is Miguel Geraldo. 4 of 25. That is a button relic. He almost looks like Blue Jays.
Done. Yep. Done.
Blue Jays it is. That is a red foil.
CJ Van Eyck.
Yep.
Blue Jays.
Blue Jays as well. That makes sense. Being a Blue Jays fan, that is not a bad thing. We got a couple Blue Jays. All right. And we continue forward. We have 2 clears left to finish up here. First of which is Kobe Mayo. That's a 25 of 40 rookie. Bronze.
Orioles.
That is the Orioles. Thank you, Jeff. Here we go. The last card of these is an Austin Martin again. That one is a 16 of 30. So each box had an Austin Martin in it. Again, as a Blue Jays fan, I don't have a problem with that, but now he's been moved. So he doesn't hold that same shiny appeal that he did when he was a Blue Jay. But still pretty nice. And let's see if I... Out of 40 and out of 30. All right, let's go back through here real quick. Let's see. I don't have those in sleeves yet. grab 2 top loaders for those. This should probably be the likely culprits. All right, let's go through these real quick. 12 hits in all. It looked weird when we opened that up. That was actually kind of a normal box. It just had more of the clears than we're used to seeing. All right, so let's go through the clears real quick. First up is we have, oh, please work with me here on the focus. Work with me, not against me. Nope, we're going to work against you. Let's try something to focus on. There we go. We got Kobe Mayo. Sorry about that, guys. We've got, that'd be Tink Hence, 205. 13 of 40, Garrett Crochet. Good pitcher there for the White Sox. And 2 Austin Martins. That really isn't too bad either. He was a top 5 pick. I believe it was top 5. Maybe 6. I think top 5, though. Great player, though. Should have been taken higher. Fell to the Jays. We got Ryan Zefferhan, 7 of 25. We got a nice 5 of 5. Yoandris Gomez. We got a button. Miguel Geraldo, 8 of 25. And he's from the Blue Jays. We got another C.J. Van Eyck, another Blue Jay. His rookie. For the White Sox, Yolbert Sanchez. Nice pinstripe and part of the logo. We've also got a Jake Vogel for the Dodgers. 57 of 75, rookie. And lastly, Noelvi Marte, a real good player for the Mariners there. That's a 15 of 50. They got a good core there and a lot of young talent. Kalenic, J-Rod. He's another part of it, Noelvi Marte. All right. That is 2 boxes, Trinity 2020. Yeah, a lot comes in these. All right, thank you again for joining us for some more Trinity. If we can find some more, we'll be showing you. Thanks again. Bye.